Welcome to Team EPT Clean Oils Draft Special. Let's meet this week's scouting expert.
With the third pick in the 2026 Reliability Draft, teams aren't just looking at performance, they're looking at what's breaking the system down.
Game film tells the story. Not just degradation, not just varnish, but something more dangerous. Degraded oil, elevated acid levels, critical varnish potential, and now water entering the game. Water that doesn't separate. Water that forms stable emulsions. Water that stays in the system. This isn't just contamination. This is an immediate threat to reliability. Because when oil and water won't separate, lubricants can't do their most important job. Wear increases. Corrosion accelerates. Systems fail. Fact: emulsions impede lubrication and increase failure risk. The ACE Scouting Department ran the tests, not assumptions, chemistry. The result? Up to 95% reduction in acid levels, up to 83% reduction in varnish potential, water separation times that fell by up to 67%, and up to 100% elimination of emulsions when the oils were mixed with water. And the chemistry? Managed.
With the third pick, we select the SVR HYDRO coalesced system. Because this isn't just a varnish problem, and it's not just a water problem, it's both. The SVR HYDRO coalesced system boasts 3 technologies in one advanced, skid-mounted kidney loop filtration system, offering a complete lubricant chemistry management solution through advanced filtration technologies including molecular contamination absorption with patented ICB ion exchange filtration, proprietary mechanical coalescing, and micro-filtration. SVR HYDRO restores and protects lubricants from acid, varnish, particulate, and free and emulsified water in an energy-efficient and expedient manner. It focuses on oil-water separation, water removal, and lubricant chemistry management. Because once you remove the polar contaminants, you don't just clean the oil, you restore its ability to reject water. Reliability doesn't fall all at once. It breaks down in layers, acid by acid, deposit by deposit, drop by drop. When water, varnish, and degradation collide, you don't treat symptoms, you cure the disease. Unmanaged lubricant chemistry. SVR HYDRO, built to remove what others can't. We are the pioneers. We are EPT Clean Oil. We are lubricant chemistry management experts.